Hello, my name is Melvin. I'm from Creative Now. In this video, I would like to teach you how to register a Gmail. You can register a Gmail via computer or mobile devices. But first, let me show you on how to register your Gmail in computer. Open any of the web browser. Then go to gmail.com. So let me show you how to do it. Click on the URL and then key in gmail.com. After that, press enter. You should be landing on the page as this. Click create an account. You should be seeing a page shown up with forms and box. Key in your first name and last name on the box provided. After that, key in your username in the username box. Please note that this username is unique worldwide and you can't change your username after register. Key in your password in the password box. And then key in again the same password in the confirm box to confirm your password. Upon completion, press next. You should be taken to this page. Key in every details that you have in this page, such as phone number or recovery email addresses, with your birthday and gender. Press next. Read through the privacy and terms. After that, press I agree. You should be taken to a Gmail page. This shows that your Gmail account has been successfully registered. So for next one, I will show you how to register your Gmail in mobile devices. Go to any of the web browser in your mobile devices, then go to gmail.com. So let me show you how to do it. Press on the web browser. After that, press a new tab. Key in gmail.com on the URL and then press enter. You should be landing on a page similar as this. Although you don't have any account yet, press sign in. You should see a page similar as this. Since you don't have any account, press create account, which is located on the bottom left. After that, press for myself. You should see form and boxes showing up. Key in your first name and last name on the box provided. After that, key in the username in the username box. Note that this username is unique worldwide and you can't change it after register. Key in your password in the password box and key in again the password in the confirm box to confirm your password. After that, press next. Google might want you to verify your phone number due to security reasons, so key in your phone number in this page. After keying your phone number, press next. Your phone should be receiving a SMS from Google showing the Google code in the SMS. Key in the code in this registering page to continue for registering your Gmail. After that, you can input any information that you have in this page, such as your phone number, your email address, your birth date, and your gender. Upon completion, press Next. You can choose Yes to opt in to the program provided by Google. If not, press No. Read through the terms, privacy and terms, and press I agree. After that, you should see a message asking you to download Gmail apps to your mobile phone. This means that you have successfully created your Gmail account. Thank you for viewing this video. You can follow us at Facebook and Instagram and subscribe our channel.